The MSI Vector 16HX is one of the most powerful gaming laptops MSI has ever made. It packs up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, an RTX 5090 laptop GPU, a 240Hz QHD Plus display, Thunderbolt 5, and enough power to replace a full desktop setup. But specs alone do not make a great laptop. So in this review, the video takes a look at the real highlights of the MSI Vector 16HX, including gaming performance, cooling, display quality, AI features, upgrade options, and whether this machine is actually worth the premium price tag. And honestly, this thing is built like an absolute monster. Starting with the processor, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX is built for serious multitasking and heavy computational workloads. This is not just a gaming CPU. It is designed for advanced rendering, AI-assisted applications, simulations, engineering software, coding environments, and high-end creative workflows. So whether someone is compiling large projects, editing 8K footage, rendering in Blender, or running demanding games, the Vector 16HX has enough processing headroom to handle it comfortably. Then comes the graphics card. Depending on configuration, buyers can go all the way up to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. That instantly places this laptop among the most powerful portable gaming systems currently available. Modern AAA games can run at ultra settings with ray tracing enabled while still delivering extremely high frame rates. Competitive titles benefit even more because the hardware easily pushes well beyond 200 frames per second in supported games. And for creators, the RTX GPU unlocks accelerated rendering, AI workflows, CUDA applications, and real-time video effects. This is basically the kind of performance that replaces a desktop setup entirely. One of the standout technologies here is MSI OverBoost Ultra. This feature allows the laptop to push a combined CPU and GPU power output of up to 240 watts. That is huge for a laptop. A lot of gaming machines claim high-end specs, but they cannot sustain performance because of thermal or power limitations. MSI is clearly trying to remove that bottleneck by feeding more power into the system when needed. And the result is faster rendering speeds, smoother gameplay, and more stable heavy load performance. This becomes especially important during long gaming sessions or intensive production tasks where weaker laptops usually start throttling. The Vector 16HX is built to keep pushing. Of course, all that power means absolutely nothing without proper cooling. Thankfully, MSI included its Cooler Boost 5 cooling system. This setup is designed to move heat away from both the CPU and GPU efficiently, helping maintain stable temperatures during heavy use. And honestly, cooling is one of the biggest reasons this laptop is so large. Thin laptops often sacrifice thermal performance for portability, but MSI clearly prioritized sustained power instead. So yes, the fans can get loud under full load, but that is expected from a machine pulling this much power, and most users would probably prefer extra fan noise over thermal throttling anyway. Now let's talk about the display because this is another major highlight. The MSI Vector 16HX features a 16-inch IPS-level panel with configurations reaching QHD Plus resolution at 2560 by 1600. That higher resolution gives games, videos, and creative projects much sharper detail compared to standard 1080p displays, but the refresh rate is where things get really exciting. The panel supports up to 240 Hz. That means incredibly smooth motion during gaming, especially in fast-paced competitive shooters or racing games. Everything feels more responsive and fluid. Even basic navigation feels noticeably smoother. And MSI did not stop there. The display also covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. That matters a lot for photographers, video editors, graphic designers, and content creators who rely on accurate colors. So this is not just a gaming display. It is also a serious productivity and creative workstation panel. AI is becoming a major focus in modern laptops, and MSI is leaning heavily into that trend with the MSI AI engine. This feature automatically detects what the user is doing and adjusts system settings accordingly. For example, while gaming, the laptop can prioritize performance and cooling. During media playback, it can optimize audio and battery efficiency. And while working on productivity tasks, it balances power usage automatically. The goal is to reduce manual tweaking. Instead of constantly switching between profiles, the system intelligently adapts in the background. And honestly, that is the kind of feature that becomes more useful over time, especially for users who want maximum performance without digging through advanced settings menus every day. The keyboard also deserves some attention. The 24-zone RGB gaming keyboard looks fantastic without becoming overly distracting. It adds personality while still fitting the laptop's more professional aesthetic. Typing feels responsive, and gamers benefit from solid key travel and tactile feedback. There is also a dedicated Copilot key built directly into the keyboard, showing how Microsoft's AI integration is becoming part of newer Windows laptops. Some users may ignore it entirely, others may end up using AI tools daily. Either way, it is another sign that this laptop is designed with future workflows in mind. Now realistically, battery life is not the main reason someone buys a machine like this. A high-powered CPU and RTX 5090 GPU naturally consume a lot of power. So while the laptop can handle normal productivity tasks unplugged, gaming and rendering sessions will drain the battery much faster. To unlock the full performance potential, users will definitely want to stay plugged into the charger. But honestly, that is expected for a desktop replacement system. The MSI Vector 16HX AI is clearly targeted at power users. This includes gamers who want maximum frame rates, engineering students running simulations, video editors handling massive projects, 3D artists working with heavy rendering software, and AI developers experimenting with advanced workloads. This is not a budget gaming laptop, and it is definitely not designed for basic web browsing or casual office work. It is built for people who genuinely need extreme performance.